Welcome again. So I will teach you how to use Ready Reckoner method or Ready Reckoner table in order to calculate the daily exposure of the noise. So you need to know two important information. The first is the noise level of this machine and the time of exposure for this specific machine. If you have more than one machine, you need to know the level of this noise and for how long it is used, okay, or how long the worker will expose to. So first, let's start with D1, which is equipment number 1. As you can see, the noise level of this equipment is 94. And the time for this exposure is 4.5. As you can see here, there is no 4.5, only 4. So you will use 4 and you will use half, which is 30 minutes. And try to make cross section with the value of noise, which is 94. And as you can see, the cross section will be here like this. And the cross section of the other value will be here like this. So for 94, you have two values. You have 50 and you have 395. Okay, so let's calculate them. So the value will be 445. This is the point. Okay, good. So let's move to D2. D2 is 2 hours. It's available. And 88. So we will make cross section also in 88 like this. So the value will be 50. Let's move to D3. D3 is 1 hour and 85. So we will make cross section with it. So it will be 13. And the other values, D4 and D5, is neglected. Why? Because it is lower than the exposure or the action value, okay, or lower than the above and below the lower exposure action value, okay. We can say it's lower than 80, okay. That's it. Good. So let's check. Let's continue the calculation. So we have 444 and 45, plus 50 plus 13. So this is we can say the total 13. The value will be as you can see, it's 580 point. 580 point, this is the number of points or the summation of points. Okay, this point is converted in the right corner table. So we convert the point to levels, or we can say the level of exposure, okay, of daily. So 508, it's available here in this area. So your value will be between 93 and 92 decibel. That's it. Thank you.